Hello everyone. Just a quick video here to take you through the search engines throughout our various websites. So let's start with our YouTube Focus on the Kingdom channel. As you can see here with my cursor on the right, there's a little magnifying glass symbol. If you click that, you should get this option where it says search and just type in any keywords or verses. For example, Trinity, and then you press enter, and this should come up, all the videos in our channels pertaining to the so-called doctrine of the Trinity. And let's say you want to search for a specific verse, perhaps that we have done videos on. Again, go back to the little magnifying glass symbol with your cursor, press backspace on your keyboard to erase the word you just typed. And let's say John 17 is a popular chapter that we get asked about a lot. And there you can see verses on John 17:3, John 17:5, and other related verses. You can also use the playlist option. Just click here on playlists, and we have put videos in specific orders related to topics like Trinity debates. You can click view full playlist. You should get all the videos there related to debates. And if you go back and let's say you want to look at our co-partner, KOGmissions.com videos, we have a playlist for that website founded by Tracy Z, our minister partner, and you can see all her videos there. And I highly recommend especially her Bible Chalk Talk videos. Now, if you are on our main website, focusonthekingdom.org, just go to the links, click the plus symbol there. You should get other websites we have, Theological Conference website, the Human Jesus website, and we will try that one. Just click there, thehumanjesus.org. If you scroll down, there should be a search option there as well. So again, similarly, you can type in Trinity, press enter on your keyboard. And if you scroll down, you can see there articles related to the Trinity. So let's click on that one to show you. From Logos to Trinity. These are excerpts from the book by our good friend Marianne Hiller, a historian, and there you go. To go back and search for other material, just click on that icon there and scroll down again, and there you have it. Let's try Hebrews 1 is a popular chapter of the Bible we get asked a lot on, and you can see all the articles that contain Hebrews 1. So here you have the first one. Can the same single line begin at two different points? Article from Sir Anthony Buzzard. And you can see there in the search that comes up where the Hebrews 1 reference comes in. And similarly, the second one, the Son of God began in the womb of Mary. Hebrews 1:5 is used. So again, we're back in the home page. Similarly, if you click on Christ Enemy Love, one of our other websites, again, just scroll down and you should see a search engine. Now, because these websites are topical, so we had the Human Jesus related to Christology only, Christ Enemy Love related to topics on nonviolence or so-called pacifism. You can type in, for example, two swords. You will see references to two swords from Luke 22, and you can see all the articles that might mention that verse or that word. So I hope you can find them easy. And then back in the home page, we have also the search engine in our main home page, and it works the same way as the others. So I hope that helps. We also have, as you can see there, links to our other social sites like Twitter and Facebook. If you click those, it will take you to these other social sites. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, God bless.